Hello, this is some technology. Yeah, I'm going to show you some things. It's like some people's PCs or laptops are running slow. We have increased the RAM several times, but it's slow. So what do we discover very soon, or for long, but we did not pay attention? When the PCs are slow, you keep changing the RAM, but the hard disks are getting weak. So we have different type of hard disks, like the SSD. The old type we have, and the starter to is getting slow. Especially those who are doing those very high work like heavy software. So what do we do or discover again? We discover SSD. The starter is HDD, hard disk drive. So the SSD is solid state drive. So let's try on this PC and see how slow it is. And if we put SSD inside, this is a Lenovo. So let's on it. See how it's coming slow. You see? It's taking time. The hard disk is crying. There it take time. So let's go straight and inside. Let me shut it down now before it came. You see it take time. Yeah, this is a Lenovo IdeaPad 330S. Yes, the speed is low, so I want to increase the speed of the laptop. So I went to buy SSD for the person. SSD, solid state drive, so that we remove the SSD will make the machine speed up. So at least 480 GB or gig or 500 gig will be okay to host the PC. So I bought a case again, this hard disk case, you see, so that we can remove the old hard disk and put inside the case, so that we can slot. If this one is not having enough space, we can keep. So here is it. So we need to lose all the screw. We're losing the screws, then we'll continue the video. Let me pause. So here we are. This is inside the Lenovo ID3330. This is how inside look like, but we are looking for only this hard disk we have to replace. This is 1 terabyte hard disk, but the speed at which the person wants the machine, the speed is low. So if you replace it and put SSD inside, the speed will be a horsepower. So the 1 terabyte, which is 1 TB, will be in this case, the hard disk case. You're going to put it in the hard disk case. This is the hard disk case. So I'm going to lose the hard disk for you to see. So if you have a laptop and the speed is low, you load the RAM is not working, the RAM is inside but still the speed is low, just try to buy SSD will work. That is what is boosting the PC or the laptop nowadays. If you have a PC that you're using for high speed work, whether it's desktop, you can still fix SSD in it. So now we have successfully removed this 1 TB hard disk. You can see mobile HDD hard disk drive. So we are now going to remove the SSD and place it in the case and place back. This is where we remove the previous hard disk. This is where we remove it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this some technology _basic. We teach about basic knowledge in IT. This is where we remove it. So don't forget to buy SSD and do what? And clone your old system storage and add to it. So this is how it looked like. It's a remove before you install. So we need to remove it from this plastic, and this is how it looks like. We need to remove this yellow sticker before we use. So we need to install it back in this case before bringing it back to the laptop. So we are fixing it in the case. There are screws in the corner, so I have to tighten the screw. These are the 4 screws. Yeah, this is some technology. _basic. Don't forget to subscribe here and share with friends to learn. So now, after placing in the case, we carefully place it back there. We carefully place it back here. Yeah, as you can see, and push it, tighten the 4 corners of it. So now we have carefully placed it. Everything is set. Yeah, so I'm going to close it so that we can start installing a fresh Windows 10 or Windows 11. Yeah, so hang out for the rest of the video continuation. At this stage, we have finished assembling the PC or the laptop. So as you can see here, we made our bootable pen drive already. Yeah, if you want how to make bootable pen drive, I'll put it in the comment section. So now we are copying our OS to the bootable pen drive. From there, we are going to install the Windows 10 or our window. On the PC, we just put the SSD hard disk. SSD. Keep your eyes crossed or your finger crossed. We'll continue soon.